compact and portable, weighs 1 kilogram, fits in the palm of your hand. Also, opens up space for new connection port for amplification antennas, speakers, and microphone. From the interior, a smart fan adjusts the power based on the temperature of the processor, replacing the hot air with fresh air. Incorporates a new processor with 8 cores, 64 bits, and 2.4 gigahertz. It has a maximum of 16 GB RAM, a solid-state hard drive with a capacity of up to 1 terabyte. Your GPU is specifically optimized for artificial intelligence tasks and delivering high-quality 3D graphics. All this means that the classes are
more and more enjoyable and thrilling. TOMi8 is built on the Android platform, which means it offers a vast selection of educational apps for users to access. Calibrating it now is automatic, and with a single touch of the function button, the digital whiteboard will be ready to use in less than 2 seconds. The resolution of the whiteboard is 20 times higher, and its response time is instant. Now you can make thinner strokes than ever before.
The multi-touch function allows simultaneous interaction of 2 people on the screen, facilitating exploration and collaborative participation. The device has a 13MP rear camera that enhances the experience of numerous applications. For instance, augmented reality will have the capability to document classroom activities, conduct video calls or scan documents, and grade physical multiple-choice exams, thereby obtaining reports instantly. Envision making phone calls to the entire group list at the same time, or even conducting real-time group tests and surveys. A brand new Bluetooth antenna enables the device to connect wirelessly to speakers, laboratory sensors, or even a robotics or 3D printing kit that has built-in support for wireless connection.
When turning on TOMi8, a wireless internal network will now be available with greater range, higher speed, and the possibility of having more than 100 students connected simultaneously from their cell phone, tablet, or computer to access all the preloaded content in TOMi8's internal storage. Additionally, it integrates a powerful platform to download and share open educational content with students such as Fed simulators, Wikipedia, or even AdPro resources. Millions of online activities can be synchronized to be presented in group mode with or without an internet connection. TOMi is the technology of the future for today's educators.